Hello friends, today we are going to see the next chapter, that is travel and currency. There are two words given, one is travel and one is currency. So how both the words are connected with each other, let us see from this chapter. So before starting the lesson, we can just see that there are some coins given below here. Can you identify these coins? Yes, these are the coins which were used in the past. Now, what exactly it means? Today, we are using the currencies which are common to us. Like Indian peoples are using the currency called as rupee. Indian rupee, INR. But is the same currency used all over the world? Was it same when we started trading? These all things will be covered in this lesson. As we have seen the different currencies in the past, different kings who ruled the different periods in the past issued the coins. The coins which were issued represent the ruler and the king. Also, they were using the royal stamps. The best example, if you see today, the currency which we see of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, what it shows that? It shows that the particular currency was issued in the rule of Shivaji Maharaj. Same way we can see different currencies all over the world. Now, how did they make this? Means the material used was gold, silver, copper. By using these metals, in olden days, the kings used to make their own currencies. Now, modern currency, as I've told you, today we use money as a medium of exchange. It is called currency. Money in notes is called paper money. Money made in metal is called coins. Most countries in the world have their own currency. Some countries like France, Spain and Germany have shared currency. Now, what is the difference between separate currency and the shared currency? Like every nation wants their own currency. They will use their own currency. And some countries share the currency which we call as shared currency. Now, there are two ways of currencies today in modern world. One is paper currency, one is metal currency. Paper currency is known as note, metal currency is known as coins. Now, as your parents were sworn, the currency which they used are not used by us. Now, why it happens? As the currency changes, the value of the currency changes. Now, earlier there were coins used of 25 paisa and 50 paisa, which we see rarely. Now, paper money was first used in China over 10,000 years ago. Means China started making the paper currency 10,000 years before. Now, in India, which type of currencies we use? Now, Indian rupee is the currency of India. It is in the form of metal coins or paper notes. Now, as you can look here, we can see 1 rupee, 2 rupee coins, 5 rupee note, 10 rupee note, 100 rupee note. Now, other than this, today we are using the coins made up of 1 rupee, 2 rupee, 5 rupee and 10 rupee. These are the coins made up of metal. Different metals are used to make these coins. And today we are using the notes of 10 rupee, 20 rupee, 50 rupee, 100 rupee, 500 rupee and 2000. These are the currencies which today we are using. Now, who takes the decision of making the notes, or who controls the system of making the money? Now, the Reserve Bank of India controls the amount of currency released in the market. It is the power to change the design of the coins and notes. Now, what is the meaning of design the note? As you can see here, if you will take the example of this 100 rupee note, what we can see here, we can see the national emblem, this lions, we can see Mahatma Gandhi, we can see the different design and the texture made on the note. These all things are reserved with RBI. RBI is nothing but Reserve Bank of India, who takes the decision of printing the notes and how much notes to be printed. Now, the bank known as Reserve Bank of India, what is the work of this bank? First of all, the work of this bank is to make the currency and distribute the currency to different banks from where we get this currency to use. Now, when we see the coins, only the government of India has a sole authority to mint coins. Coins are round and flat with two faces. They are made in a mint. Now, one of the face of the coin, the value is written in figure, the words along with the year of manufacturing. Now, when you see the coins, what is seen in that? Now, if you see here, it shows the value of the coin, it shows in which year it is made, and it also shows the national emblem to represent the Indian rupee. Now, as you all know, these coins, same is with 5 rupee coin, same is with 10 rupee coin. Also, you can see different images embedded on the coins. These all are made by the authority of RBI, and every year they change the design of the coin. On the other face, as we have seen the national emblem. Now, let us see about the notes. Now, we will see rupee note, currency note used in India is Indian rupee, which is made up of paper, printed on the paper. It has two sides. At right hand side of the note, we can see the picture of Mahatma Gandhi, who is considered as the father of nation. Also, we can see the value of the note written in words and in figure. As you can see here, it is written in number as well as in word, means figure and words. Next, what we can see is the national emblem, and then the logo of RBI. The logo of RBI represents the note is legalized note, and then we can see the signature of present governor, and then now on the other side of the note, we can see the languages written on the note. Different languages are written. How many languages are there? Nearly 15 different languages on the left side of the note is written. A picture of national importance is printed on the center. Now, what is the picture representing? It represents the Himalayan ranges of India. Next, what we can see is, as I told you, the signature. The next is the unique code of the number. It shows that the number of every note is different. Now, this was all about our Indian rupee. Now, using currency while traveling. We can use Indian currency to buy things and to avail services only within our country. Now, what is the meaning of this? Whenever we do the transaction or whenever we trade in the country itself, we can use the currency of that particular country. But when we travel to different country and in that particular country we cannot trade with our present currency. So what to do? We need to exchange our currency with that present country's currency to do the marketing and to do the trading. Now there are few countries who accepts the different countries' currency for trading, but generally when we talk about the trading, we need to exchange our currency with the present country's currency. Now there are few examples of countries given here. Now first one we can see is Singapore dollar, franc, dirham, taka and pound. Now which country is using which currency or which country's currency is shown here? Now first one we will see about Singapore dollar. It is used in Singapore. Franc is used in France. Dirham is used in United Arab Emirates. Dubai we can see different countries are using different currencies. Now what about the trading in international market? So the whole world has accepted the currency which is called as US dollar. Most of the trade in the world is done with the help of United Dollar, that is US dollar.